Coding with care, building with empathy. Sammy loved coding, but today he wanted to make something special, something that could help others. Sammy had all the tools to build his project, but he wasn't sure how to make it truly helpful. Suddenly, Sammy knew what his project needed. He could build a program that helps others with everyday challenges. With a new purpose in mind, Sammy's code came to life, building a program that could make life easier for those who needed it. Sammy tested his program, making sure it would work smoothly to help people in small but meaningful ways. Just when everything seemed perfect, the program glitched. Sammy's app didn't work as he hoped. Sammy thought back to his brother's advice. To truly help, you have to understand what people need. By listening carefully, Sammy learned that even simple things, like reminders and encouragement, could make a big difference. Sammy rewrote his code, using empathy to guide his changes, making sure his app could truly help in ways that mattered. The program worked! Sammy's neighbor was happy, and Sammy learned that empathy had made all the difference. Sammy discovered that while coding was fun, building with empathy was what truly made his project meaningful.